Welcome to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a simple and delicious stir-fried bamboo shoot dish, featuring one of the most popular ingredients found in many Asian cuisines. Tender bamboo shoots are stir-fried with savory pork belly and earthy shiitake mushrooms, creating a wonderful combination of flavors and textures. This is an easy home-style recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights, yet satisfying enough to serve as part of a family meal. For this recipe, we will need 425 grams of winter bamboo shoots, 165 grams of pork belly. You can certainly use more pork if you like. I'm just using up what I have in the fridge today. 65 grams of shiitake mushrooms, 8 grams of freshly minced garlic, 8 grams of freshly minced ginger. I've combined the garlic and ginger here together. 1 green onion, finely chopped with the white and green parts separated. 1 Thai chili, finely chopped for a bit of heat, though this is optional. For the seasoning, dark soy sauce, salt, mushroom powder, ground white pepper, and sesame oil. We'll start by thinly slicing the shiitake mushrooms. I'm using shiitake because they are my personal favorite, but feel free to swap them out for any type of mushrooms you prefer. Next, we'll thinly slice the winter bamboo shoots. You might notice some white granules on the slices, especially with prepackaged bamboo. These are actually a naturally occurring amino acid called tyrosine. They are tasteless and completely harmless to eat, but you can certainly rinse or scrape them off if you'd like a cleaner presentation for your dish. Thinly slice the pork belly and place it into a mixing bowl. Add half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, and the white part of the chopped green onion. Mix everything well, making sure the pork is evenly coated, then let it marinate for about 10 minutes. While the pork is marinating, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the bamboo shoot slices and blanch them for 2 minutes. This helps remove any bitterness and impurities while improving their texture. Once done, drain them well and set them aside. We're now ready to start cooking. Heat a drizzle of cooking oil in a medium nonstick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic, ginger, and Thai chili if you're using it. Sauté for about 30 seconds or until everything becomes nice and fragrant. Next, add the marinated pork belly. Stir fry until the pork is lightly browned and fully cooked. Wow, the aroma is absolutely incredible. You really can't go wrong with that classic combination of pork, garlic, and ginger. Add the bamboo shoots and continue stir-frying for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing them to absorb all those wonderful flavors from the pork and aromatics. add the sliced shiitake mushrooms. Continue stir-frying until the mushrooms are tender and all the ingredients are well combined. To finish the dish, drizzle in the sesame oil and give everything a final stir. Turn off the heat, then add the green parts of the chopped green onion. Toss everything briefly to combine, allowing the residual heat to release their fresh aroma. Transfer the stir-fry to a serving plate and serve it hot alongside a fresh bowl of steamed rice. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe to Viet Flavours, and share it with your family and friends. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.